Welcome back, Slackers. In our last video, we delved deep into the critical topic of security within Slack, ensuring your team's data and communications are protected. Now we are shifting gears to explore another vital aspect of maximizing your Slack experience, and that is the workflow automation. Join us as we uncover the secrets to streamlining your team's workflow processes and boosting productivity. So without further ado, let's get started. Slack workflows involve a series of automated actions that occur within the Slack platform. These actions could include sending notifications, updating status messages, or even integrating with other tools and services your team uses. The primary goal of Slack workflows is to streamline and simplify everyday tasks for both individual and teams. By automating repetitive or time-consuming tasks, workflows allow team members to focus on more strategic or creative aspects of their work. Slack workflows are specifically designed to improve efficiency in the workspace. By automating processes, teams can accomplish tasks more quickly and with fewer errors, ultimately saving time and resources. Workflows can automate various processes within Slack, such as managing incoming requests, scheduling meetings, or organizing files and documents. This automation not only saves time but also ensures consistency and accuracy in task execution. One of the key benefits of Slack workflows is the reduction of manual effort. Instead of team members having to perform repetitive tasks manually, workflows handle these tasks automatically, freeing up time for more meaningful work. And by streamlining tasks and automating processes, Slack workflow encourage collaboration among team members. With routine tasks taken care of automatically, team members can focus on working together to achieve common goals and objectives. This list outlines various capabilities and advantages of utilizing Slack workflows within project management and team collaboration. Firstly, by setting up automated reminders and effectively assigning tasks, teams can keep projects on track and ensure timely completion of milestones. Additionally, workflows facilitates the onboarding processes for both customers and team members, streamlining the integration into project workflows. Moreover, workflows enable the refinement of customer request management, enhancing responsiveness and customer satisfaction. Furthermore, the democratization of automation through pre-built and deploy customized workflows tailored to their specific needs, fostering innovation and efficiency within the organization. Overall, these features demonstrate how Slack workflows empowers teams to optimize project management processes, enhance collaboration, and drive productivity across the board. Slack workflows automate customer communication, ensuring quick responses and consistent interaction, leading to improved satisfaction and retention rates. It focuses on high-value work and productivity boost by automating repetitive tasks. Slack over workflows free up employees to concentrate on strategic work, enhancing productivity and efficiency. Slack workflow reduces cognitive load and promote work-life balance by streamlining processes, contributing to employee well-being and job satisfaction. And workflows establish clear communication channels and standardized procedures, fostering collaboration and minimizing errors. So overall, Slack workflows offer a comprehensive solution for improving business communication, productivity, and employee satisfaction. Let's check out how to use Slack workflows. Let's go out to our Slack environment. To access the workflow, click on the org name followed by Tools and Settings. And under Tools section, we can see the workflow builder. Click on it. A new window will appear where we can create and manage our workflow. On the top right corner, we can see the Create Workflow button. We click on this button. The workflow can be created with a predefined template or we can use it from the scratch. Let's try some templates. So we can click all templates to see all the templates available for us to use. So these are the templates we can use to create a workflow. For this video, we will use the schedule message workflow. We will click on it to use it, and here we can see how this workflow will look like. So click on the use template button, and now we are able to use this workflow. To get started, we will select the date first. On clicking the pencil button, we will have a couple of options. The first field asks what should be the trigger to this workflow. On clicking this drop-down button, we can see a couple of options over here. We can trigger it with the URL or whenever an emoji reaction is used. When a person joins a channel can also trigger this workflow. So if we select a scheduled time, so we need to select the start date and time followed by the time zone and frequency. So let's check out what is the frequency. We can trigger the workflow once, daily, weekly on Tuesdays, every weekday. It means from every Monday to Friday, the workflow will be triggered automatically. We can also trigger this workflow monthly on last Tuesday. Plus, we can set this workflow to trigger annually on February 27th. If we don't find any desired frequency time, we can click on the custom button. Let's start this workflow every Friday. To get it done, we will need to have the custom frequency. After selecting the custom, we will need to scroll a little bit and we will leave the repeat every field as it is. As we want this workflow to trigger every Friday, it means it will be triggered once every week. So we will click on week and we will choose the day of that week. So we want to trigger this on Friday. We will click on Tuesday to disable it and then click on Friday to enable the Friday as the trigger day for this workflow. Scrolling down, we have to decide when this workflow will end. We can let it go on forever by selecting never or customizing after a specific date or after a number of occurrences. So we will keep selecting the never and click on save button. The next step is where we want to send a scheduled message. We will click on the pencil button to see what comes next. So here we can see select a channel field and add a message. So we will select the channel. Let me select this channel, and for the text field, so we have defined what should be the message. We can click on save and now we are good to go. This is the template provided by Slack. Slack allows us to go further. We can add step. If we want to add step, click on the add step and we can see all the steps we can add to this workflow. In this workflow, we can add canvas, channels, any forms or app as well. So to get into this in detail, we will create another video based on the workflow. We will be analyzing and doing experiments with the workflow. To get these kind of videos, please subscribe to the Value Hub YouTube channel and press the bell icon. For now, we are not going to create steps. We will be finishing up the workflow. And after that, we can see a couple of more options we need to specify. The name of this workflow, it's better to change the name based on the agenda. So as this is a Fun Friday meeting, we will use FFM as its name and describe it as we will keep this image and going further, we can see the workflow managers. Whenever a person creates a workflow, automatically it becomes the manager. Alternatively, we can add other managers to this workflow. Just click on this field and search for the person we want to make the managers. Select the person and there is a button called show more permissions. Clicking on it, we can see who can find this workflow? So here we can see three options. Everyone internal in Rizvi's org. It means everyone who has joined my workspace can be able to find this workflow. Also, I can specify people, channels, and workspaces which can find this workflow. Else, I can only make this for managers only. So for I will click on everyone internal. After that, we can see who can copy this workflow. If I want everyone to copy this workflow, I can keep this option. Else, I will click workflow managers only to restrict copying this workflow. Click on workflow managers only and then publish. So as you can see, our workflow has been created. It says starts tomorrow at 8 a.m. If you click done, the next day at 8 a.m., it will be triggered automatically. But for the demonstration purpose, we will change the time. We will change time as 5:34 a.m. and the date would be 26. If you click save, save changes. So after a minute, this workflow will be triggered. So let's wait for a minute. Now it's 5:34, but the workflow has not been triggered. So let us see what happened there. Click on Tools and Settings, Workflow Builder. Select the workflow we have created and see what happened here. It starts today at 5:30 p.m. Okay, the time was correct. Let's see why it did not trigger. Yep, the day was set to Friday. Now what we need to do is today is Monday, so we will click on Monday and click on Friday to disable it. And the time would be now 36 a.m. Click on save, save changes. Yep, it should be triggered now. Yeah. See, one new message has been popped up over here. You can see the dev space for main channel has been highlighted. It means that the workflow has triggered successfully. Let me click on it. Here we can see the workflow automatically send a message to the specified channel. So this was how we can create and use workflow in Slack to make the repetitive tasks automated. So for the next step, we will be adding many more videos related to Slack on this channel. Please subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any videos. And don't forget to follow our other social media pages. And for the implementation, please log on to connect at valuehubid.com. We have so many Slack certified professionals to get you started to get the implementation done seamlessly. Thank you for watching.